How to check blocked users on Discord Mobile. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Discord application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on the U option from the bottom right of your screen and further tap on the Settings option on the top right of your screen. Now, under the Settings tab, you will see the Content and Social option. Tap on that and further scroll down and you will see the Blocked Accounts option. Tap on that, and now in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to view all the accounts that you have blocked on Discord. You can also go ahead and unblock someone if you want. So, this is how you can check blocked users on Discord Mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.